unboxing my new tripod that I got so I can improve my videos, you know? Oh, and also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I don't think you guys follow me on Instagram. Where have you been? So I'm just kidding, but my Instagram is Kamiyah Queen, same as my YouTube channel name. So go do that right now. Just pause the video. Do that right now. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you like videos like this one. And always don't forget to comment down below what you want to see in a future video. But let's just get right into this unboxing. Okay. So this is the box that this tripod came in. Ugh, the box is kind of bigger than I thought it would be, but got my scissors. ASMR. Oh. Another box! What the heck? There's literally another box in here, guys. Literally like a whole another freaking box. Like, this box was pointless because there's another box. And basically just says what it is right here. Because it's from like Amazon Basics, like the Amazon brand stuff. So, yeah. We're just gonna open it up here. ASMR again. On the other side. Oh, you have to like. Here comes the tripod. But there's a zip up at the top of the bag, so oh, it zips all the way down. Oh no, it doesn't. Zips enough for you to get it out. Ooh, this is way better than a tripod that I have right now. Like, way freaking better. Dude, this is way better than a tripod that I'm using currently. I'm gonna show you guys what my tripod looks like currently, and then I'm gonna show you guys what this one looks like, because this one is like, okay guys, so like this is the tripod that I'm currently using. It's literally not that big, like literally not that big, like it's half of me basically. And I added this selfie from like my selfie stick piece on here so I could use my phone on it. And this is like the brand that I was talking about. Horrible brand. It'll literally just break apart, because like I said, mine broke at the bottom and I had to just not even use that piece. So like I couldn't even extend it to its full like extent. Like I couldn't even extend it. Guys, this is literally don't mind the box, that was for me unboxing, but this is literally that freaking tripod that I just got, the Amazon one. Like, dude, like literally, oh my gosh, this is so freaking nice. Okay, so to like extend it here, you have to wind it here, like it'll wind, and you see it's coming down now, like you'll see it coming down, and you just wind it. Like, this is so nice. Like, literally, watch. Like, now it's down, and then you wind it back up to get it to its full potential. Now I'm going to show you guys it side by side by me so you can like see like exactly what this freaking looks like, because it is huge. So this is like the comparison. Like, this is me, this is the tripod. This tripod is huge. 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 Look how big this is. Like, why not get this tripod? Like, look at us back to back. Like, this tripod is huge.